Experiment Cherry Blossom. After an extensive and meticulous process, we can affirm with satisfaction that the experiment conducted with our so-called passive traitor, previously identified as Charlie or Charlotte Petit, has been successful. The procedure, lasting approximately 10 days, occurred within acceptable parameters and exhibited unique characteristics compared to previous records. As part of the protocol, we decided to transfer her essence into a new vessel, a body crafted from porcelain, plastic, and vinyl. Physical characteristics: the result is an entity with pale, almost white skin, realistically expressive eyes, and reddish-pink hair tied in a back ponytail, with a voluminous and fluffy texture. Her height ranges between 50 and 60 centimeters, though small in appearance. She stands out due to her unique presence. Superficial additions: she wears a dress in red and purple tones, has carefully applied makeup, and emits a delicate, pleasant cherry blossom scent, which is why she was named Cherry Blossom, as an act of compassion. Cherry Blossom's awakening was particularly revealing. No signs of panic, disproportionate reactions, anger, or adaptation errors were observed. What sets Cherry Blossom apart from any previous experiment is precisely her uniqueness. She has demonstrated a level of stability and coherence never before recorded in an adult subjected to this procedure. The Council of Doctors is currently analyzing and theorizing about this phenomenon. An unexpected finding was that Charlotte was pregnant, estimated to be between 10 and 16 days. Preliminary hypotheses suggest that this condition directly influenced the stability of the process. It is proposed that the possible life in gestation was sacrificed in favor of preserving Charlotte's essence. This theory has not yet been confirmed but represents a solid foundation for further research. Behavioral observations: Cherry Blossom maintains stable behavior, with no detectable physical complications. Her speech is fluent, although she exhibits a psychological profile marked by passive-aggressive traits, evident cunning, and episodes of anxiety. In conclusion, we do not consider this result a failure. On the contrary, her very existence leaves us perplexed, as she represents the first successful case in an adult, regardless of the mechanism that enabled it. For security reasons, and considering her cunning, she has been assigned confinement on the 18th floor. She is not considered dangerous in herself, but it must not be forgotten that, in essence, she is still Charlotte, albeit in a more limited form. The next step will be to observe her interaction with 001. This confrontation will determine the true value of her existence. If Cherry Blossom survives what 001 presents, she will be considered a consolidated success and, therefore, protected. However, if her outcome is similar to case 002, then her fate will be equally disposable and considered a definitive failure. This is the official record of the Cherry Blossom experiment.